Some people say that the violin is one of the hardest instruments to play. In the next 2 minutes, I will share some tips and tricks to help a beginner-level violinist learn how to properly hold the violin. First, you'll need to understand some facts about the violin. There are 4 strings, the G, D, A, and E strings. They go in order from lowest to highest in pitch. So to hold the violin, you will have a shoulder rest that slides into the bottom of your violin. You will place the shoulder rest on your left shoulder and rest your chin on the chin rest. Your left fingers will then be placed on the neck of the violin to assist holding properly. Now for the bow. The bow is made up of wood and horsehair. To hold the bow, you want to place your right thumb on the frog, this black piece right here, and underneath the horsehair, and the rest of your fingers should curl around the top of the frog. Your pinky should be the most curved and placed at the tip of the end of the bow. This allows for the most flexible movement and easier playing. Now we put it all together. So hold the violin in your left hand and the bow in your right hand, keeping in mind all the body placements. Some tricks to help you is to also keep your body upright and to uphold your posture. Slouching is a bad habit for lazy players and can lead to really poor playing. And just like that, you learned how to properly hold the violin. Have fun playing, and thanks for watching.